We all know that anti-androgens like finasteride and dutasteride are very effective in preventing or reducing hair fall. But they have certain side effects, especially if taken for the longer period, and that also taken orally. Now, to reduce the side effects and to have an equally effective dosage, what can we do? We can apply them topically, and hence the world is shifting to topical anti-androgens or topical finasteride and topical dutasteride. In our clinic, we have highly concentrated forms of topical finasteride and topical dutasteride available. You apply it once a day in the scalp, and they have a strong anti-androgen, anti-testosterone and DHT effect, and that will help in prevention of hair fall, and also regrowth of some hair is possible. So definitely consult us to know more about these newer formulations which are available.